Guys, in this video of YouTube marketing course, I'm going to teach you how to apply or how to add end screen in your YouTube video. Well guys, end screen is very important because it helps you to retain your viewers' attention. Even it will help you to increase the engagement. It can help you to increase the number of subscribers. Even it can help you to increase the watch time as well. But the thing is, you need to understand that how you can create an relatable end screen, because if you are just creating an end screen without any relevance or without any relatable content, then you will be not able to increase the watch time or the engagement, right? So let's understand first that what is this end screen is, right? Then I'll make you understand about how to create it. So as you can see, this is the end screen where if I hover my cursor over this logo, I'll be able to see the subscribe button. So I've already subscribed to this channel, that's why I'm not able to see the subscribe button, right? And here I'm able to see the recommended video and then the recommended playlist. Let me go back again. Back to Marketing Pandas Global. Oops, it's automatically switched to the next video once the timeline gets complete, right? So this is how you can add the end screen, not add, this is what the end screen is like. Let me close first, stop it. Now here, let me go again, let me show you properly once again that what is this end screen is, right? Because you might get confused that what is the end screen is, like what, the video or the feature which is coming over there. So basically the end screen is the feature which is coming over there, and the display which you are able to see, you can create it with any platform like Canva or any other tool. Let me show you again a playlist, also a separate playlist which is YouTube ads, right? So I hope this helps. We'll meet you in the next video. Now you'll be able to see the end screen, right? So this is what the end screen is, like basically the feature of this at the end is end screen, right? Now here you'll be able to see a normal screen where the thank you for watching and the recommended, and here I have added the blank boxes, and here I have added a blank circle. So this is basically can be created with any graphic designing tool or any normal tool like Photoshop and all, right? But the feature is which is coming over there where I'm hovering my cursor like this and I'm able to see the videos, right? So this feature can be added through your YouTube Studio, and this is what is called end screen is. Now let's directly jump into my YouTube Studio and I'll show you how to create this thing, right? So guys, as you can see, I have one demo video over here which I'm uploading in my channel, right? So in the first option in the details section, you need to enter all the details about your video, that the title, description, thumbnail, playlist and all, right? After this, you will be transferred into the video element section. If I click on this next button, I will be into the element section where you can add the end screen over here, right? As you can see, add an end screen. Now if you click on add button, you will be able to see the interface like this, right? Now in this interface, this is the end part of your video. As you can see, the 15-minute, directly it is showing from the 15-minute and to 15-minute 20 seconds, right? As you can see over here, so this is the end part of my video. So basically this end screen feature can be added into the end part of your video. It is very obvious, right? Now as you can see, this is the timeline of that end part of my video. Now I can click wherever I want to add, basically from where I want to add the end screen. Let's say I want to add the end screen from 15-minute 10 seconds. So I can add this cursor over here and I can add these pre-created end screens, right? But the thing is, if you are a new one, if you have created a new channel, you need to create your own end screen, right? Because I have already created one. Like as you can see, if I click on this plus button, you'll be able to see that this is how my end screen looks like. This is my subscriber option. As you can see, subscribe Marketing Pandas Global, this is this. And if I click on this second option, this will be blinked, that best for viewer. So this is the best recommended video for viewer, and then this is the playlist of the video that my viewer was watching, right? So this is how you can add the things. Now how to add the elements on this timeline basically. So let me go back, let me discard these changes, let me add, click on add again. Now here I do have other options as well. Like in this option I do get option to add two videos. Like these blank areas, these rectangular areas are for videos, and this circular area is for the subscriber button, right? But in this screen, as you can see in this add screen element, I can add only one video and one subscription button. And here I can add only two videos only, and here I can add one subscriber option, one video option basically, right? And here as you can see one more option, and here one more option. So this is how I can do. Now if I add this one, let's say I'm using this one. Now if I want to add more elements in this particular screen, I can do that as well, right? For that you need to click on this plus element button. If you click on this, you'll be able to see you can add video, playlist, channel, link, and then the subscriber. So subscribe can be add only once, so I have already added this one. Now you can add the playlist, you can add more playlists, you can add more videos. Like if I want to add playlist over here, so I can select, like I want to add Canva playlist. So this is how you can bring one more playlist, basically one more option over here, and here you'll be able to see that I have added 4 elements now. Now I can add it wherever I want, but I don't have the space because, and the red areas are already covered, right? As you can see, this is the red area, and this is the red area, and this is the area. So these areas are already covered, so I can either use this location or this location. So it is totally up to me where I want to add the video. But I have created a screen, basically my graphic designer have created a screen where in the blank areas some details are showing, like my uh, social media channels and a thank you message like this, right? And the click to subscribe option, basically click to subscribe message over here, and then the website. So I can't add, basically I don't want to add this one, so I can just delete this element by clicking on this dustbin button, right? Let's say if you want to delete this element as well, you can just click on this dustbin button and your element will be deleted. So this is how you can create your end screen with by adding these elements, multiple elements into the screen, and your end screen will be or will become feature packed, where your user can directly subscribe from there, and your user can directly jump to any other relatable video which is showing in that end screen, right? I hope you got the point. And once you are done with the customizations, you can just hit the save button and your customizations will be saved. And from the next time you can just click on add button and select the previous option, and your end screen will be added like this, right? And just hit the save button and your end screen has been added over here, right? So this is how you can create your own end screen. You can add the elements and you can add your end screen into the video. I hope you understood the video. I hope you understood the procedure, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.